How to make a chess system in Roblox Studio. Create your chest. You can design your chest freely, but there are things you need to create: lid, pivot, and item spawn. Set the lid without Archer. For pivot and item spawn, select Archer, set Can Collide to false, and set transparency to 1. In the pivot, add a weld constraint to connect part 0 in the pivot and part 1 in the lid so that the pivot and lid are connected. For the chest itself, no adjustments are needed. I used a union to combine the chest into a single piece for convenience. In the lid, add a proximity prompt for opening the chest. You can design the details of the proximity prompt freely. When finished, group the chests as a model. Select a group of models and group as a folder. Name it chests. Prepare the tool to randomly select from the chest. I'll go to the toolbox and select several tools. Go to Replicated Storage, create a folder, and name it the Chest Items. Move all tools to the Chest Items folder. Add a script to Server Script Service. Writing the script. This script creates an interactive chess system where players can open a chest, see it animate, spawn a random item, and click the item to receive it. Getting services and folders. Adjustable settings. How far the lid opens. How long the animation takes. Chest setup function. Getting chest parts and state. Opening animation logic. Creates a tween animation. Tween smoothly moves from current position to the goal. Gets all tools in chest items. Randomly selects one item. Clones the tool. Places it visually at the spawn position. Adds a click detector so players can click the item. Stores the item so it can later be given to the player. Moves the tool into the player's backpack. Clears the stored reference to prevent duplication. Proximity prompt interaction. When the player presses, chest opens, lid animates, prompt disables, random item spawns. Listens for new tools added to the chest. When the item is clicked, it calls give item to player. Loops through every chest in the folder. Applies the same logic to each one. Automatically initializes new chests added during gameplay. Makes the system fully dynamic. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.